Hello YouTube, it's January 31st, 2017. I'm here with a brass bar, a wheel from a watch that I've taken a little bit of polish action to the top of it to clean it up. And I have a torch, and my goal is to try and blue this gear, so we'll just get right to it. Okay, see the straw color starting to form. It's getting a little bit darker. Once it starts to get violet, I want to pull the heat back a little more. It should get a little darker than that yet. Okay, now it should go kind of violet. And it's not long after that that it turns blue. In fact, there it is. I think we got it. There it is. Blued it. It worked. That's pretty cool. Thanks for watching.